Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tareem Fatma. Today I am going to show you how to create a basic calculator with the help of HTML and PHP. First of all, we will open our notepad because I am writing this code with the help of notepad. As you can see that I have already written this code. Let's go through this code line by line. HTML keyword, HTML tag, head tag. In head tag, I've used the title tag, simple calculator. Then ending of the head tag. Then body tag is used to show the content on the page. Forum method is equal to post. Post is used to send the data to the server. Here we use number 1 and number 2 because we need these input values from the users. Required is used to fill all the field values. BR is used to break the line. Input type is equal to submit. Value is equal to calculator is used to make a button. Then we use the PHP tag. In PHP tag, we perform the operations that are used in the calculator: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If check is used, it is a global variable. Dollar sign is used to declare the character in the variable. It can perform all the operations one by one. And here post is used that it shows that all the input values that are taken from the user in the HTML are introduced in the PHP to perform the operations. And here it is the ending of the body tag and HTML tag. And now we will save it, file, then go to the save as, then save it as calculator PHP into all files. After this I will go to the URL and write there localhost front slash php front slash and the name of my file, that is calculator.php. And here is our output. Now I will give the values. And here it is show that I have an error in my code. Let's go through the code once again. And here you can see the output values. Thank you for watching.